ANTISHICNC company produce fiber laser cutting machines. HIWIN is a special model for the steel tube cutting machine which, equipped with 12,000 W power, cut round, square, material automatic production. The machine take use of high-quality components from all the high-class suppliers, such as Racus Laser source, Schneider electric components, high-quality and reliable water chiller from S&A. At the same time, the cutting system take use of Circle Control System FSCUT500 operating system, advanced technology. Advantages of the laser cutting machine. Compared with traditional cutting technology, laser tube cutting has good flexibility and does not require mold, which greatly saves new product development time. Complex graphics that are difficult to achieve by conventional methods, such as opening holes, cutting intersecting lines, and conventional methods, but also breaks through the limitations of plain, multi-dimensional cutting. It is the best choice for laser cutting of metal tubes, agricultural and forestry machinery, bus manufacturing and other industries, suitable for cutting of metal pipes and profiles, such as round tubes, rectangular tubes, and cutting of different materials and specification. 3 sets Pneumatic Chuck Travel, 12,000 mm a cam, each beam with the maximum diameter is 550 mm. This laser cutting machine, Japan SMC Proportional valves, HIWIN linear rails, and Mitusbish Speed reducers and motions. Suitable for kinds of material cutting supports AIPLT, DXA, standard G code, has fast cutting speed and high precision, cutting of various special shape, and can better meet the increasingly high cutting process requirements. Cutting machine independently developed by ANTISHICNC. Cutting and can realize application industries, engineering machinery, ladder guardrails, smart homes, office desks and chairs, applicable tube shapes, special shaped tubes, elliptical tubes, Racus Laser source. Also take use of full automatic loading and unloading mechanism which can realsize the YYC quenching helical gears and grinding helical gears. The LT high dust resistance dust proof grade IP65, and the tube laser cutting machine can realize the precision. The high-speed fully automatic CNC laser tube not only realizes fully automatic production, locomotive manufacturing, oil pipelines, fitness devices, metal homes, IB tubes, angle irons, channels, etc.